Hi, busy people. I'm going shopping, so Mr. Crockpot's going to help me with this one. I looked in the freezer and I found two things and I went, voila. CX is for chicken in my world. And I froze just the sauce from the last time I made chicken cacciatore. So that is going to be great with our frozen chicken thighs. They're boneless. They'd be better with the bone on, but I didn't have that. Now, I warmed up my crock pot when I got everything out. So I got it started, in other words. You know what? You can always put the crock pot in the microwave, but I just have it on high because I'm going to be gone for a little bit. And let me get the chicken in first. And like I said, it's totally frozen. Big deal, right? I'm going to put the fat side up so if it can drip down, and the chicken part will be okay because it's in that little bit of water. See this thing? Sometimes it's so frozen, I just put it in the crock pot and the steam will take it off a little later. I'll come back in half an hour and it's gone. I had this little part of a green pepper, and since there's green pepper in my sauce, I thought I'd throw it in texture-wise because at this point, the pepper and onion and whatnot in the sauce, it might be a little soggy. So I'm just gonna zip into this, just some bite-sized pieces, like I'd say like that. That way they won't disintegrate, but they'll get nice and soft, and there'll be a fork worths on your fork or spoon, I guess. But I love chicken thighs for this recipe. Excuse me. But again, I like it on the bone. I think I originally cooked that sauce, so the flavor is going to be there. That was pith. If you were wondering, like, I don't like the pith. I missed the first one, but I'm just trying to get this in the pot. So that goes in next. And then my sauce, let's see. Now I ran this underwater, like, see what I did here when I froze it? I just put a thick baggie. Air is your enemy in the freezer. And anyway, so I rinsed it, but I didn't rinse the top of it. And I'm going to see, and I was squeezing it to see if it would come out. But I'm going to just try and put it right in there, tap that out. Usually it works. There it goes. Yep. Okay, a big hunk of burning love right there, I'll tell you. This is a really good sauce, and there was no way after we ate it that I was going to throw it out. You save it for later. And am I going to leave it like that? Yep, I am. The steam alone in this will be just fine, and it'll be delicious. There you go. See, I came back. I just finished getting ready, and already I'm able to do this with it. So I'll help it along a little bit. It's not necessary because I'm telling you that would all just come down in the little bit of water and whatnot. Voila! Dinner is almost ready.